What is this thing? Why do I carry it around? I can't keep up with how many people have sent me messages, emails, comments. What the hell is this thing? Is it a wind deflector? Is it a fire reflector? What is it? Okay, it is a fire reflector. It's not a wind deflector. It has nothing to do with wind. Why do I carry it? Because it's awesome. That's why. So it's from a company called MC Ranch Overland. They're based in Canada. And Mike, the owner, sent me it to review, and I've been using it for quite a while. If you have a look at it, it is filthy. Sorry, Mike, that's the reality. It's been camping a lot of times. I could have cleaned it before doing this review. Not really my style. I'd like to show that I've used the hell out of this thing. I haven't been camping with a ground fire and not put this thing up, except for like maybe one occasion where we had too many people. It was like 25 people and we needed the space all the way around the fire. Usually for sort of up to like 10 people, I will still use this reflector because simply it reflects heat and light to an amazing extent. Now, if you look at the setup here, I'll show you how to make basically a room out of this thing. So what I've got here, fire source, heat reflector, vehicular heat reflector, and then an insulated roof essentially. What that does is it throws the heat here, bounces it from there to there, and it just creates this warm environment here that is so much warmer than at here. Right here, it feels like I'm about 15 degrees colder, 10 to 15 degrees colder than there. That's not a very big fire at all. It's about 10 degrees at the moment. I'm perfectly happy in like a t-shirt. This is obviously not a t-shirt, but I'd be perfectly happy in a t-shirt here. I'm cold in my flannel there. Like I would not stand there. I'd put on a jumper to stand there. Sitting here, warm as toast. Now that's one part of it, which is it reflects heat really well. The other part of it is light. I've tried to put this on camera, I tried to film it, and it just doesn't do it justice. But what happens is, when you're sitting here at night, the fire light is reflected on each of these panels. It reflects better when it's clean. I will actually clean this, don't worry. It reflects on these panels, and the amount of light you get is about 5 times more than if you didn't have the reflector. I can't tell you what that does for ambience. I can't stand people leaving camp lights on at camp because I love the firelight. To have the firelight sort of intensified around you, there's just this extra bit. It means you don't need to put camp lights on when you want to go and get something out of your fridge or go walk around or whatever. Thanks, Fred. The fire does that all for you. So yeah, that's what it is. That's why I carry it. This video is just an extra one that I'm just throwing on the channel to answer the questions, because normally I don't do product reviews, but I've never had more questions than about this thing. So that's what it is. Yes, they are quite expensive to get to Australia. We are working on a solution to that. If you're in North America or somewhere else in the world, this thing's awesome. It weighs about 12 kilos. It folds up, it has a nice canvas bag. It's really nice quality. It's made in the USA. It's not a cheapie. It's made in Canada. It's a really, really, really nice quality piece of kit that I definitely, I'd definitely recommend one. It's not a budget discount thing. If you can't afford to put diesel in your car, don't buy one of these. But if you go camping a lot and it is in your budget, definitely recommend it. Alright, thanks for watching.